if you see in a daily chart or 4-hourly chart, it may look like a three-wave pattern only. So three-wave pattern suggests the end of correction. Okay, and the price may start moving higher. But at the same time, if you look at daily or weekly, see, let me move to the weekly. This can be wave 1, wave 2, and all can be wave 3. Okay, in this I can see a 5-wave structure here. Okay, if this is a 5-wave structure and ends here, we may see some reasonable decline or sideways pattern may develop, because it can be wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in weekly the price pattern is looking different when comparing the shorter term pattern. So if I get doubts like this, I preferably manage the risk first. So I will wait for some other confirmation, because okay, if this is the last wave, right? Let me draw one thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, assume it is 3, and if it is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, the wave 5 completes, then obviously you'll get a decline in a ABC pattern. One thing. And if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get a fourth wave, bigger fourth wave here. Fine. So assume it is a last leg. In last leg also, I can see a clear 5-wave pattern. So this is why I'm getting some doubts. If I'm getting only a 3-wave pattern here, I will say that there is a one more high still possible, and we may expect a new high. And if you remember, in our older videos, we said that 34 and 35 zone is important resistance, and the price may reach that level. I hope you remember. See, the price high was around 35. I said around $34, I believe, right? I said 34 is expected in this impulse. So the price is taking rejection from our expected level only. If not, I can think in other way. Since the price is taking resistance in our zone, I will wait for some pattern may develop. Okay, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the price may take some other sideways is also possible. Or the price should make a new high in an impulse. Then only the pattern may change. But considering, if I see in a weekly, the two highs, okay, the two highs looking like some sort of correction or ending diagonal may develop in coming times. As I said, when I get doubts like this, I will wait for some more confirmation, but my primary idea is some sort of correction or sideways is possible in the silver. And the silver, as we discussed in our midweek market update, if it is wave 1, wave 2, and all can be wave 3, we can expect a good sideways here for a wave 4. Okay, so wave 4 can take any sort of patterns. So as of now, my primary assumption, as I said, there can be some sort of correction or sideways, maybe correction in the sense a flat or zigzag or even triangle. So all are corrections like. So any pattern may take, and to understand the pattern, I move to the 4-hour chart, and if I draw a channel, because triangles will not come in a channel, and you can see a channel here. So if the price comes one more lower, okay, like this, the price makes a one more low, and the support may be around $30, around these levels. If the price comes like this, then all this can be wave A. Okay, probably, most probably wave A, wave B, and wave C, because this can be the first leg of correction, because in daily and weekly there is a chance of a completion of minor wave 3 here. So we may get a wave 4 decline, and that wave 4 decline can take any pattern. So this is the update on silver. For the current week, I believe some sort of bounce may come, because I expected the price to stop here. So I think the price may have a bounce and this is what my expectation now. Some sort of an ending diagonal or an impulse, normal impulse to complete the possibly wave 3, 4 and 5, or wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Okay, both are possible, but for that purpose, the price needs to cross above this zone with an impulsive price action. Then only we can assume the correction has been over here, maybe wave A. And in silver, see, we expected $30 as support, and it went slightly below $30 and started to moving higher, and currently it reached 31.57, and we expected the price to reach 32.2. And if it is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed, and if it is a wave B pullback, we can even expect 32.57 to 33.24. At the same time, by seeing the silver itself, I said some sideways may develop. Okay, I think I wrote this here. Yes, see, sideways or other corrective patterns may develop. So the price still moving as per the expectation. So my view is it can be wave A, wave B, and wave C may proceed, and the wave C may take the silver to 27.96, or okay, this is the possibility, or between these levels, 27.962 and these two zones. Okay, this is the expectation in silver, where we need to first focus on this B wave, and if it rejected at those points 32.6 to 33.2, then we can expect a C down to 27.96 to 26.84, approximately these zones. You can see the price action points in your chart. This is the update on silver. Anyway, coming to the silver, the price exactly moved as per our expectation. See how nicely the price rejected at our expected point. This is what I call as identifying the turning points of each and every waves. And there is slight confusion about the levels, because this is the chart I'm following for almost many months now. So in this chart, the price reacted exactly as per my expectation. But yes, there is difference between the chart I used and the trading view, and one of our friends suggested another chart. So it is aligning with the trading view. So I use this chart henceforth, and this is the rejection point. And in this chart, the price not crossed the 32.5. Okay, since many followers and friends texted me in the X that the price not touches 33, but the reason is here. I used this chart. In this chart, the price reached 33, but the chart aligning with the trading view, the price not reached it 33. So anyway, I will use the common chart, which is aligning with the trading view. This is the level expected, $28 to $27. This is the expected zone in silver, and for that the price needs to minimum cross below this zone, right? 30.04 to 29.6. Let me change this color. Okay, the price needs to minimum go below this level, $30 to 29.6. Then only this view is valid. Still now the price is moving as per our prediction, so I not changed my view. This is a possible ABC, right? And if the price moves below this zone, the price may attempt to reach $28 to $27 in the coming days in silver. See, the one thing I want to say in the silver part, I use the order chart here for just explaining the things which I said in previous weeks. When the price moving here itself, okay, when the price moving here itself, I said that silver may move into corrective part in coming weeks. If you want, you can check my previous videos. In Bank Nifty also, while saying about Bank Nifty, I said the key word corrective waves are decided by the impulse waves. Many analysts, when we saw a 5-wave decline here, they said that there is a possibility of wave A, wave B, and wave C. But how I can say here, there are a lot of people went long here because of continuation in uptrend. But here I said the silver may go into a corrective phase here. Still now the price in corrective phase only. How can I say that? Because corrective patterns are decided by the impulse waves. I not even wait for this 5 waves to complete. That's the one more additional step. This is the expectation, and this is one of a confirmation. This is the understanding you may get from the Elliott wave if you learn in practical way. If you want to learn the Elliott waves in a proper way, see, this is only one single information. There are a lot of information in the course. Corrective patterns are decided by the impulse waves. Once you see the impulse wave itself, you can expect what may happen in the corrective patterns. That is the level of analysis you can get from my course, but absolutely it needs some practice. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves the most practical way, approachable way, and tradable way, you can take trades. Each and every level where you want to give entry, where you want to change your view, where you can get the stop loss, everything has been explained. You can analyze, you can trade, so you can do whatever you can do with the Elliott waves. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves, you can register my course. I give all the details in my description. More than a profit, capital protection is important. Don't bet on high risk instruments. If you wish to get my market analysis, you can subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, traders, and families. So trade safe. Happy weekend. Thank you.